Wait a minute. Is it Halloween already? My name is Officer Jeff Toretto. What is that? What are you, Toretto? What are you? From Furious of the Fast. Jeff, we can clearly tell you're wearing a police outfit. I'm an officer of the law. Jeff, you work at a daycare and own your own laboratory, and you don't even have an IQ at all. You don't even know what you're doing 9% of the time. Part time. Hey. I will read you your rights. You don't gotta read me nothing. I'm going to prison no matter what. It's fun there. Alright, let's go to prison. Yay! Prison is so boring, man. Come on. I will let you out for some breakfast, but that's all. Yeah, I love breakfast. Is it time for breakfast already? Jeff, I'm gonna go use the bathroom, buddy. I kind of feel a little bit sick, bro. Alright, bro. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Where'd you go? I didn't go anywhere. I'm just super duper sick, man. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. Oh, man. Me. Oh, it's working. Hey, stop. Hey, are you kidding me? Welcome to the day of Daycare. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? And it's good to be back with another crazy day of Daycare, bro. Yo, today, I'm super excited because my boy Jeff, he called me up and he said we're doing something a little bit more crazier and a little bit more different. So I'm pretty excited. I got my moose book, I got my breakfast, and let's go see what Jeff is up to. Jeff, what's up, buddy? Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Jeff, hello? I guess I'll just walk more. What is that? Is that a portal? Hi, Jeff. What's up, buddy? How you doing, man? What is that? Jeff, what are you doing? Jeff? What are you doing? Hey, Jeff, chill, relax. Yo, you called me up, bro. What you want from me? Huh? You called me up over here. We got a mission. A mission for what? What are we doing? Huh? What are we gonna do, buddy? Are we gonna drink some Moose Book and stuff? A mission impossible. Ooh, a mission impossible. Not bad. Okay, so what are we doing exactly then, huh? Here, take some steak and Moose Book to help you out with the mission. Yeah. All right, awesome. So, what exactly are we gonna do, Jeff? Oh, hey, Jeff, don't do that. That is not cool. All right, that is not, Jeff, bro. I'm sorry to think that's not even Moose Book anymore, Jeff. That's, hey, off-brand. Jeff, what kind of mission are we doing? Are we going to the daycare number 2? Are we going to Jafina's laboratory, or are we gonna go to the boat where Brick Boss lives on? Mission to the best place in the world. Where, Jeff? Where could that possibly be? AKA Moose's house, because it's always lit in Miami. The MooseMods Laboratory. Jeff, come on, really? Every time we go there, something bad happens, man. And plus, we do that every single day on the MooseMods YouTube channel. Go subscribe to it, bro. MooseMods YouTube channel. That's right. I get my videos every single day. Go subscribe. Whoa, down below in the description. That's all your fault. Listen, man, just because you have a new experiment every single day on MooseMods does not mean that this is going to save your... Ow! That's going to save your laboratory from not being destroyed. All right, so... exactly how does this work? All I see is just a bunch of water, redstone, repeaters, and a torch just powering a nether portal. That's a different shape. Ah, you! Well, I really don't know. Okay, let's go inside the portal and hopefully take us to another world. This is all a test, just like life. What? I didn't see nothing. All right, 3, 2, 1, dark. Low-key. Let's go. Breakfast! Oh, come on! What are the odds that there's lava at the bottom of the ground after the portal? Are you kidding me? Jeff, your experiments never... that's not perfect landing, bro. It's lava, man. Your experiments never, ever work, bro. They always cause some kind of a problem, man. But hey, at least the Moose Book's different and the steak and stuff. For me, at least. Yeah, whatever, Jeff. Okay, anyway, so, bro... what are we doing in the MooseMods laboratory today, man? You want to show the fans the MooseMods laboratory on the MooseMods YouTube channel, but I don't know what's going on. Hey, yo, bro. Then are you my teacher or something? Yo, teach. Yo, Mr. T, Jeff, Mr. Teff, Mr. Stephanie, Mr. Peanut Butter. Don't call me that. Mr. Four Eyes, Mr. Goggles, Mr. Moose Antlers, Mr. Scientist. Well, what are you? Come on. All right. So anyways, Jeff, what are we doing here, man? You brought us here for a reason, and what even? I'm your master. Jeff, the only thing you're a master of is a master of stupidity. All right, let's go instead and see what's going on. Awesome! Yay! Oh, look at this. Hey, why is this different? Jeff, what version of MooseMods is this, man? What is this stuff? What the heck? What happened here? Huh. This is the awesome one. Oh, really? Oh, my God. AKA, not the prepared one. Jeff, are you sure it's not prepared? Because I just found this in here. What does that do? How do you activate this? What do you do with this thing? Wait, do I right click it? Read! What am I reading? Huh? Are you kidding me? I said prepared, not. Oh, I said repaired, not prepared. Oh, gotcha. Jeff, do me a favor. Can you give me a... Oh, wait. Oh, actually, I got you. I'll take care of this myself. I got you. Okay, so... All right. And what does that do? Huh. Ain't that bad. Oh! Bruh! Why? Jeff, what's wrong? What does this do? Meteor. Should be interesting. Oh! Jeff! There's lava everywhere! Jeff! Jeff, MooseMods just went 0 to 100 real quick! Jeff! Help! Jeff! Why is there lava here? Oh, this is not good. This is definitely not good. Jeff! Listen, that was all you. Alright? That was... Bruh! Jeff! You're the one that prepared this. Alright? And... why would you put a meteor in the chest? Did you really... What are you doing? Did you even know what's going on? Huh? Seriously? This dude. Because you never know. Jeff, do you see what happens? You cause your own problems. And then you expect someone else to pay for your repairs. So here's the C4. Yay! Big feast. Oh! You know what? There's not much left of the whole entire MooseMods laboratory, so... yeah! Oh! Hey, look, a new portion over here. Jeff, did you ever actually mess with this part over here, man? It's all fancy looking and stuff, and if we put this right here, and we click that, that should destroy all... You know what it said on the sign saying destroy Omatic? That's exactly what that was. This is why. What do you mean this is why? I have to be a teacher. Jeff, this ain't no problem. It's like, what, like $2 repairs or something, man? Come on. It's easy to fix, bro. How about this? How about a firebomb? I got you, man. Trust me. I will test out the limits of this $2, you dummy. Yeah, exactly. $2, bro. What are you talking about? That's it, right? What's a bunker buster? What does that do? Bunker buster. Does that do something cool? Huh? What's that? Don't try me. Bro, I'm just wondering what it does. It's like flashing and stuff. Oh! Hey, Jeff, don't go to the third wing of the MooseMods laboratory. So that's what a bunker buster means. Oh! What about precision TNT? Huh. That's a really big explosion. Oh, that's pretty precise. Are you serious? Jeff, of course I'm 100% serious. I'm testing things, man. I gotta learn things along the way. You know what I'm saying? That's what learning's about. What about napalm? This looks pretty interesting. Napalm. And... oh, that's not so bad. What about a propellant? Ooh. Jeff, it's actually pretty cool, man. I gotta say, it's a good thing that we came to the whole entire, you know, the MooseMods laboratory. Because it's always fun coming here because things happen, you know. Oh, is it? Yeah, what about this antimatter one? This looks like really, really fancy and stuff, so we're gonna find out what it does. Antimatter, more like anti-MooseCraft. I make myself laugh sometimes. Yay! Huh. Anti-MooseCraft, I make 12. Jeff, I clicked this antimatter one here, and nothing seems to be happening. So, I think we're in the safe spot. That's pretty cool. It's still going. Maybe it's got like a crazy timer or something. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Oh, come on. That wasn't bad at all. What about a... There seems to be a delayed reaction to what just happened. And there it goes. It's all gone. There seems to be a miscalculation on my mathematics. Bundle projectile. Hey. Oh, here we go. Bundle projectile for what? What does that do? These things are always so delayed, man. What about... So that's what it does. Oh, I get it now. That's not bad. How about a timed bomb? A little bit of a timed bomber. This dude acting like TNT ain't TNT. Jeff, we're just testing things, bro. We're making sure that the MooseMods laboratory can sustain crazy nuclear explosions when time comes. And let me tell you, we've completely failed this crazy thing, man. And you're the one that took us here, made a terrible landing, and put a bunch of TNT in the whole entire chest, expecting me not to destroy the whole entire place and then, you know, do that. For a field trip, not for this. Why would we do a field trip looking at bombs? Like nuclear bombs in Minecraft. Does that make any sense at all? What about a nuke? What does a nuke do? I mean, a nuke usually has a big boom explosion, but how big can this nuclear bomb actually be, man? Let's be honest, man. It's only a nuclear bomb. Duh. But that's not a phone. Yeah, bruh. Gotcha. Huh. Well, it's not so bad at all. The water took was a hit. Look at that. This is why water is very, very, very helpful. You see, man, it protects you from things like that. All right. How about a hydrogen bomb? This just looks really, really spooky. And we also got a supernova. Supernova. Coming this summer. Super Jeff and Supernova partner together to make the best MooseMods laboratory ever again. But MooseCraft comes along and destroys it. And it's all gone. Huh. There was a supernova hydrogen bomb thing over here, and it's completely gone right now. So I was starting to think that the world is gone. Oh, what happened? Oh, I feel some lag. This ain't looking so good. Oh! So that's what it does. Oh! Yeah, I didn't know that. Okay. Supernova bomb it is. Let's go. Jeff, you ready for the supernova, man? So this one seems really intimidating, so we're going to find out what it does right now, bro. You ready for this, man? Are you ready for this, bro? Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Huh? Oh, man, it's going to be crazy, bro. This is going to be absolutely crazy. It's still going. Like, it's still activating. So that must be like a super bomb cooking up to make some moose smoke or something, man. I don't even know, bro. It just looks really intimidating. I feel like Jeff just has complete rage quit this game. He doesn't want any part of this. I feel like he took me on this field trip to MooseMods, and this happened. Like how does this even happen? Like, come on. Like, whose idea was it to put a bunch of TNT in a chest while going on a field trip after getting me super mad? Like, what do you expect to happen? Duh! Like, moose milk is amazing. Oh. If I can infinitely drink moose milk, that must mean we have some technical difficulties. We'll be right back after these crazy, crazy commercial breaks about MooseCraft and Moose merch. Yeah, this world is completely destroyed. We'll be right back. Go to www.itsmoosecraft.com to purchase the official Moose merch right now. Link in the description down below. Jeff, I gotta say, buddy, man, I don't know how you do it, bro, but every time we get back from a commercial break, things are completely fine, man. You got some crazy, crazy expenses, you know that? You always make things. It's called Young Moolah. Young Moolah. All right, man. So, since you repaired the place, this gives us the opportunity to test out this brand new supernova bomb. So I want you to do something crazy. So we're gonna find out exactly what it does now, Jeff. So it's like a It has a cool name to it, but like, I don't know what it does. So we're gonna find out. But I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this crazy Moose Roleplays video, man. Hope y'all did enjoy. Don't forget to go check out the MooseMods YouTube channel, man. We post every single day crazy Minecraft mod videos, man. And it's absolutely super duper lit. Just like that supernova that's still trying to go off for some reason. So, I don't know. This bad idea. Oh! That's a great example of how lit MooseMods is. Alright, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see y'all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe and snap the bell. Oh my god, the whole world is 100% gone. Wow. That's a big explosion. That's a really big explosion. And the whole place is gone, including the water tower. Yeah, that's definitely something, I'll tell you that. Huh. So then what if I try to put this down? What if I put this thing down right here? Okay. Alright, so there we go. Alright. Anyways, as I was saying, I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new MooseMods and Moose Roleplays video. Bye!